What's up guys, how's it going? It's Sculler85 back, another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for We Happy Few on the Xbox One. So I picked this up actually about 2 weeks ago and I still haven't played it yet. But yeah, followed this for some time since I think it was announced E3 last year, was it? Or the year before? Went into game preview. But yeah, really looking forward to playing it. So it's set in a alternative 1960s Britain in a place called Wellington, Wales. So yeah, and basically you take drugs, so that's cool. But yeah, so there you can see the police dude on the front, and it comes with a code for a Jolly Brolly. And there's the side, We Happy Few, and the back, join the fun, turn your back on a cheerful denial, and uncover the dark secrets of Wellington, Wales. Shut up, seagull. I don't know if you can hear that, but the seagull's going mental. It's up to 11 gig in in-store size. And inside you've got the disc, which I really like the disc art. It's really, really smart. And then the exclusive Jolly Brolly weapon. There's a definite chance of pain when using this weaponised umbrella, complete with advanced blocking capabilities and a trippy psychedelic interior. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of We Happy Few on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, I'll talk to you later. Cheers. Bye bye.